75-hour broker pre-license Midpoint practice exam. Question 1. Which of the following is considered real property? A detached microwave. B, a trade fixture. C, a perennial shrub planted in the ground. Or D, area rugs. The correct answer is C, a perennial shrub planted in the ground. Plants in the ground, fructus naturals, are real property, while movable items are personal property. Question 2. The right of a landowner to use water from a flowing river is called A, literal rights. B, riparian rights. C, prior appropriation. Or D, accretion. The correct answer is B, riparian rights. Riparian rights apply to flowing water like rivers and streams. Question 3. A joint tenancy includes the right of survivorship, meaning A, the owner's heirs inherit the share. B, the remaining owners automatically receive the deceased owner's share. C, the state takes the property. Or D, the property must be sold. The correct answer is B, the remaining owners automatically receive the deceased owner's share. Survivorship is the defining characteristic of joint tenancy, overriding a will. Question 4. Which of the following is a physical characteristic of land? A, scarcity. B, indestructibility. C, permanence of investment. Or D, area preference. The correct answer is B, indestructibility. Indestructibility, immobility, and uniqueness, non-homogeneity, are physical characteristics. Question 5. The rectangular survey system uses lines that run east and west called A, principal meridians. B, base lines. C, range lines. Or D, township lines. The correct answer is B, base lines. Base lines run east-west, principal meridians run north-south. Question 6. What is a lien? A, a right to use someone else's driveway. B, a monetary claim against a property to secure payment of a debt. C, a type of insurance. Or D, a zoning variance. The correct answer is B, a monetary claim against a property to secure payment of a debt. Liens are financial encumbrances that allow a creditor to force a sale to recover debt. Question 7. An encroachment is A, an illegal extension of a building or fence across a property line. B, a legal way to gain title. C, a type of tax. Or D, a method of measurement. The correct answer is A, an illegal extension of a building or fence across a property line. Encroachments are physical intrusions onto another's land. Question 8. The police power of the government allows for A, taking land for a highway. B, zoning and building codes. C, collecting income tax. Or D, arresting trespassers only. The correct answer is B, zoning and building codes. Police power is the authority to regulate for the public health, safety, and welfare. Question 9. In a life estate per autre vie, the duration is based on A, the life of the tenant. B, the life of a third party. C, a fixed term of years. Or D, the life of the grantor. The correct answer is B, the life of a third party. Per autre vie means for the life of another. Question 10. What is commingling? A, representing two clients at once. B, mixing client funds with personal or business funds. C, sharing a commission with another broker. Or D, advertising a property in two different states. The correct answer is B, mixing client funds with personal or business funds. Commingling is a serious license law violation involving escrow funds. Question 11. The duty of accounting requires an agent to A, keep track of all hours worked. B, report all funds and property received to the client. C, provide a tax return to the broker. Or D, pay the client's mortgage. The correct answer is B, report all funds and property received to the client. Accounting is one of the 6 fiduciary duties. Question 12. A special agent is authorized to A, represent the principal in all matters. B, represent the principal in one specific transaction. C, sign contracts on behalf of the principal. Or D, manage an apartment building. The correct answer is B, represent the principal in one specific transaction. Real estate brokers are typically special agents hired for a single sale. Question 13. What does situs refer to? A. The physical size of the land. B. Economic preference for a certain location. C. The legal description. Or D. The tax rate. The correct answer is B. Economic preference for a certain location. Situs is the economic characteristic of location preference. Question 14. Accretion is the process of A. Losing land due to a flood. B. Gaining land through the gradual deposit of soil by water. C. Selling land to the government. Or D. Zoning land for commercial use. The correct answer is B. Gaining land through the gradual deposit of soil by water. Accretion adds land, erosion removes it. Question 15. Which type of ownership is available only to married couples in many states? A. Tenancy in common. B. Joint tenancy. C. Tenancy by the entirety. Or D. Severalty. The correct answer is C. Tenancy by the entirety. Tenancy by the entirety views the couple as a single legal entity. Question 16. An appurtenance is A. A personal property item. B. Something that runs with the land and stays with the property. C. A type of mortgage. Or D. A person who appraisals property. The correct answer is B. Something that runs with the land and stays with the property. Appurtenances benefit the land and transfer automatically with the deed. Question 17. What is the habendum clause in a deed? A. The clause that describes the consideration. B. The clause starting with to have and to hold that defines the estate. C. The signature of the grantor. Or D. The legal description. The correct answer is B. The clause starting with to have and to hold that defines the estate. The habendum clause defines the extent of ownership being granted. Question 18. Title to real estate means A. The actual piece of paper. B. Ownership of the land and the right to possess it. C. A mortgage document. Or D. The tax assessment. The correct answer is B. Ownership of the land and the right to possess it. Title is a legal concept of ownership. The deed is the document that transfers it. Question 19. A general warranty deed provides A. No protection to the buyer. B. Protection only against defects occurring during the grantor's ownership. C. The greatest protection, covering the entire chain of title. Or D. Protection against physical defects in the house. The correct answer is C. The greatest protection, covering the entire chain of title. It includes 5 covenants and warranties that protect the buyer the most. Question 20. Metes and bounds is a method of land description that uses A. Sections and townships. B. Lot and block numbers. C. Terminal points and angles. Or D. Zip codes. The correct answer is C. Terminal points and angles. Metes and bounds uses distance, metes, and directions/angles, bounds, to describe a perimeter.